Today experiment is radiation pattern of a folded dipole antenna. This is also copolarization measurement. Two types of polarization. One is copolarization and other is cross polarization. Both antenna, transmitting as well as receiving antenna, both are antenna in same pole horizontally or vertically, that is called copolarization, and one antenna is horizontal and other antenna is vertical, that is called cross polarization. This is also cross polarization and this is copolarization. And two types of plot, one is elevation plot and other is azimuth plot. Elevation plot means both antenna, transmitting and receiving antenna, both antenna is vertical direction. This is called elevation plot, and both antenna is horizontal direction. This is called azimuth plot. Now transmitting frequency is 600 MHz and receiving frequency also 600 MHz. Wavelength lambda is equal to C by F. C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second. So wavelength is equal to 50 centimeter. Now transmitting dipole antenna length is equal to lambda by 2 equal to 25 centimeter, and receiving folded dipole antenna length also lambda by 2, 50 by 2, that is 25 centimeter. This is our folded dipole antenna and this is called feed. Feed is also 1 centimeter. So each side of antenna is 12 centimeter. This side is also 12 centimeter and this side is 12 centimeter. 12 and 12 is 24 and feed is 1. Total is 25 centimeter. And need a transmitter and receiver. This is our RF receiver and this is our RF transmitter, and this is our stepper motor controller. This is our transmitting frequency 600 MHz and this is our receiving frequency 600 MHz. Now feed the transmitting end or transmitting antenna is dipole antenna and receiving antenna is folded dipole antenna. Now receiving antenna is folded dipole antenna. And both antenna is vertical direction, that is called elevation plot. Now this is angle is 0 degree. This table angle, gain, mean gain and modified gain. Modified gain is equal to gain minus mean gain. This is polar graph. This is angle 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 and this portion is gain. Gain means modified gain. Modified gain, this portion modified gain and this portion is angle. Now 0 degree reading is 41.5, 41.5. Now press up button. This is 10 degree reading, 40.5, 40.5. This is 20 degree reading, 39.1. This is 30-degree reading, 39.2, sorry, this is 40 degree, and 40-degree reading, 40-degree reading is 39.2, 39.2, and 50-degree reading is 38.6, 38.6, 60-degree reading is 38.6, 70-degree reading is 38.6, 80-degree reading is 36, 90-degree reading is 39, 100-degree reading is 41, 110-degree reading 43.5, 120-degree reading 41.7, 130-degree reading 42.7, 140-degree reading 45, 46, 150-degree reading 46.3, 160-degree reading 46.5, now press up button. 170-degree reading is 47.4, press up button. 180-degree reading is 48, 190-degree reading 48.4, 200-degree 48, 210-degree 48, 220-degree 47.6, 230-degree 46.5, 240-degree 45.6, 250-degree 44.5, 260-degree 43.3, 270-degree 42.1, 280 degree, 40.2, 290 degree, 38.6, 300 degree, 38.4, 310 degree, 41.2, 320 degree, 40, 30 degree, 42.7, 5, 40 degree, 41.5, 5, 350 degree, also 41.5, 41.5. This is also elevation plot reading. Now azimuth plot. Both are antenna in horizontal direction. This is our transmitting antenna and this is our receiving antenna, both in horizontal direction. Now set the 0 degree angle, press down, now set the 0 degree angle and repeat the same process for 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, so on. This 0 degree reading 65.5, gain is 65.5. Now press up button. This is 10 degree reading 65.3, 65.3. Press up button. 65, 65. Press up button. This is 40 degree reading, 30 degree reading, 64.1, 64.8, sorry, 64.8, 64. Now press up button. 63.3, 63.3, press up button. 62.7, 62.7, 63, 63. Now press up button. That is also 63, 80 degree, 80 degree also 63, 90 degree 63, 100 degree also 62.2, 62.2, 110 degree, 61.3, 61.3, 120 degree, 60.2, 60.2, 130 degree, 58.6, 58.6, 140 degree, 58.5, 58.5, 150 degree, 60, 60, 160 degree, 60.6, 160 degree, 60.6, 170 degree, 62.1, 62.1, 180 degree, 62.6, 62.6, 190 degree, 62.5, 62.5, 200 degree, is 63.1, 63.1, 210 degree, 61.6, 61.6, 220 degree, 61.3, 61.3, 60, 240 degree, 59.1, 250 degree, 59.5, 59.4, 260 degree, 59.4, 270 degree, 61.0, 280 degree, 61.5, 290 degree, 63.6, 62.1, 62.1, 300 degree, 62.5, 310 degree, 63.2, 63.2, 20 degree, 63.8, 330 degree, 64.1, 340 degree, 64.7, and 350 degree, 66, 66.1. This is also azimuth reading, azimuth plot reading, and calculate the mean gain and modified gain. Modified gain is gain minus mean gain. Okay. Then plot this graph. This is angle 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, and so on. And this axis is modified gain, -2, -4, -6, -8, and so on. Thank you.